So hi दोस्तों, in this video I am going to show you how can you use new browsers where you can see ad-free YouTube videos. For that you just need to open your Google browser and you need to type Helium, then hit enter. Then you will find the second browser, Helium browser. You just need to click OK. Once you will click OK, you can find here download options, download Helium. Just need to click OK. Then you can find two versions. One is the x86 64 version and second one is the ARM version. You have to install, if you have a Windows 10 or Windows 11, then you need to install 64 version. You just need to click over there. It will take a few minutes to download. Now you can see here it is getting started to download. 1 2 3. Now you can see here it has been downloaded. I'm going to just open it. So you can see here it is in the download. Now it has been opened. So you can see it's asking for to configure. You just do next. Then you can read about this, allow connection and server proxy extensions. If you want to allow, then you can, if you not, then you can do next. Then if you want to use DuckDuckGo or you want to Google, then you can select Google, next. Then you can add your email ID to access it. If you want to rate it to me, now you can watch YouTube video. Let me see if it is showing ad free. Let me play any video. Now guys, you can see it's playing music free video. So that's all in this video.